Man, it's doing it again. It's coming nuts. Looking in there. Freaking me out. Oh my god. You want to get rid of this one. This, man. No, Renee, you've got 5 seconds. They've got a foot. Look, man, it's shaking everything. Look. It's shaking the whole side. Oh, man, there's nothing in there. That's blue. There's nothing even in there. It's empty. Oh, damn, it's moving in. Swear. Look, it's coming out there. Push it. Push it. It don't break it though. We just climb it off. It's moving that. You're playing it. I think it's broken. I think you broke it. It's actually came out the whole thing. Look, what's it doing over there?
Did we turn it off?
No, we shouldn't turn it off because I think it stopped anyway. We just need to push it back in there. I'm doing nothing. That's sticking up me.